In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add silence using ElevenLabs. As we dive into this simple yet crucial process, we'll discover how easy it is to enhance your audio projects with natural pauses. These pauses can add depth, ensure better listener engagement, and make your audio project feel more polished. To get started, open up your web browser. This is your gateway to the ElevenLabs platform, and picking a reliable, fast browser can make a big difference in your workflow. Once your browser is open, head over to the ElevenLabs website. Now it's time to log in. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. If you're new to ElevenLabs, you'll need to create an account first. Once logged in, navigate over to the text-to-speech feature. For this tutorial, we'll specifically make use of the 11v3 voice design. This design is optimized for expressive voices, making it perfect for adding the nuances of silence that we're aiming for. The expressiveness in this voice design helps crafted audio sound more organic and relatable, which can be a great tool for podcasts, narrations, or any kind of storytelling. To introduce silence, you'll need to insert one or more dashes between words. These dashes are our secret tool for creating pauses in your speech. Adding a single dash will give you a brief pause, similar to the natural break you'd find between sentences. If you want a longer pause, just add more dashes. Think of this as inserting the commas and periods into your text that you would when writing out speech by hand. A few more here and there can help your text breathe more naturally. Now that you've crafted your text with the perfect mix of speech and silent pauses, it's time to click on the Generate Speech button. This step is the moment where all those dashes turn into real pauses, so take a moment to ensure everything sounds right. After your speech is generated, take a listen and see how it flows. Adjust your text if necessary, tweaking the number and placement of dashes until the timing feels just right. Once you're happy with the generated voice for your message, it's time for the finishing touches. You can share or download your carefully crafted audio. And there you go, a seamless, detailed guide on adding silence in ElevenLabs to enhance your audio projects. By following these steps, you can create a more engaging and realistic listening experience. Whether you're creating content for professional or personal projects, knowing how to control silence can be a game changer. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we'll see you in our next video for more tips and tricks.